you brought it up earlier, the "Standing in the Sun" remix with Beyonce. All right, how did that happen? This man that used to live in a board house had to run away, take money from his mom, and all of this stuff here. Ended up doing a song with one of the world's biggest artists, Beyonce. How did that happen?
When Broke It Down went into the Billboard charts, it was a number one song on Power and Power 105 and Hot 97 in New York. It just started to play in other markets. So they wanted someone to do a remix of Standing on the Sun. So Danny C, who worked with Pitbull, he did some promotion for me at one time. So he was about to work the Broke It Down record. And he said Vegas. And Beyonce, of course, heads high, and they played Broke It Down for her. So right then she said, I want him on the record. So when I got the contract, I said I need to work with the best of the best in the business. Musicians, not samplers, musicians. So I went to Clevie and Danny Brownie to make the beat. And she loved the beat, but I was doing something where I didn't want to go too hard. And she sent back a message and said, no. I want Vegas. Yeah. And I redid it and she loved it. So now the song is set to release or get on the album. And someone leaked the song. Someone it just mile up, bro. It's like it happened so many times, bro. It's like, yo, when it's gonna be a change. I think it's gonna change, though. I think this year is gonna be a big breakout year where the I'm blessed with everything that I have, but the home run, something always thwart it, bro. So I'm like, everything is, remember, it's top secret, I have the emails and we have to have a code. I have to sign an agreement that I won't tell anybody about it. So everything is classified. Top secret. So now the people might get ready to release the song and people start leak out music. And them leak the song and the song got number one in New York, number one in Hartford, number one in Albany, number one in Boston, the same week them leak it. So Danny C called the label and I say, yo, the song out, and so them I try to find who leaked the song. So it's like she just get mad and she just got up one night and she just scrapped every song that she recorded for the album. All the songs, the engineer that I was in the studio with in New York, he said he mixed 200 songs. And they picked the song. And she got up one night, no promotions, no nothing, and she just released a song, an album with only new music, 12 a.m. 12 midnight.
The Lemonade project there.
Yep.
So originally, you should have been either on that project or the project that would have been before that project.
All new music, nothing that anybody heard. And because they leaked Standing on the Sun. Yep. So there was no more. Beyonce did a song with a Jamaican artist that done gone. That it's like you're buying stocks and you buy the rumor and sell the news.
Welcome to the life as an artist, because as you said, it's always those amazing highs and those devastating lows.
So just for a little complimentary, she actually put the song on her platinum album. She released a platinum album, I think the next year. Mm-hmm. So the song is actually on her platinum edition album. So, but at the end it's good for the resume, but what they really wanted to do, like shoot videos and all that stuff, bro. And that time she was, it's not like now where I think she's recording a lot more songs now and It's more accessible now. Yeah. It's one of them days still. We live and we still dream of.
You know what's even crazier is that's the one that we know. Imagine how many stuff we don't know that was almost happened that did not happen.
100%, bro. 100%. And sometimes you do songs and you can't get clearance. Like I just did something with Stefan Don and one of the biggest Latino artists, and I just couldn't get clearance. Yep, for Te Amo. And we had to scrap the project after waiting for almost 2 years. But it's a business, bro.
And you take it in stride and you understand that.
Learning every day.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.